The evil bird's shadow. They say the forest behind the old village was cursed because something lived inside it. Something with wings so black they swallowed the moonlight, and eyes so red they burned through the soul. They called it the evil bird. No one had seen it up close, and lived to speak only the echoes of screams at night. One stormy evening, a young boy named Timo heard a sound that froze his blood. A sharp, slicing cry, "Kreet-leet-lee," a cry that felt like claws dragging across his bones. He crept to the window, trembling, and there it was. Perched on the rooftop, head twisted, eyes glowing like fire from the underworld, and slowly, its beak opened. "Timo, I see you." He screamed for his mother, but she heard nothing, only silence, only him. That night, the torment began. The bird followed him, gliding above the house, scratching the walls, tapping the windows, whispering his name again and again, like it was already tasting his fear. At 3 a.m., the air turned ice cold, every candle died, the house shook, and from outside, wings burst open with a thunderous roar. The evil bird landed at Timo's door. Its shadow slid under the cracks, creeping toward his bed, as if darkness itself had come alive. Then a scream tore through the night, a scream so powerful the village woke in terror. When they rushed in, Timo was gone. No footsteps, no struggle, nothing except a single black feather lying on his pillow, still warm, still pulsing. When you hear wings in the darkness, don't look outside, don't move, don't breathe. Then a scream so potent it ripped the night apart, a sound of pure, final terror. Villagers rushed in, lanterns held high, their faces etched with alarm. The room was empty. The room was empty. Timo had vanished without a trace, but the darkness always left its calling card.